Hey everyone, on today's video I'm going to show you how to join a private fantasy Premier League. So first we're going to go to our Premier League app. So once we're there, we're going to click on Fantasy, which is on the right side of latest. Then as you can see, we're going to scroll down. And as you can see, beyond leagues, there's join leagues option. Then now, as you can see, we could enter the code for the private league code, or we can also provide our own leagues. We can create our own leagues. We can also go public and join a league. So there are other means too. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.